Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're unboxing the Musway TWO.100, a compact amplifier built for incredible sound. First, we have the product manual, your complete guide for setup and tuning. Next, Musway's QC passed sticker, showing it passed strict quality checks. Here's the RLC cable, ready for connection to the remote level controller. And here's the remote level controller knob, giving you easy subwoofer volume adjustments right from your seat. Musway also includes all the mounting hardware you'll need for a clean install. And finally, the star of the show, the Musway TWO.100, a sleek, compact 2-channel Class D amplifier. It delivers 115 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms, 185 watts RMS per channel at 2 ohms, and can even be bridged to a powerful 370 watts RMS at 4 ohms. Big sound, small size, pure Musway quality. Ready to make your system shine? The TWO.100 is ready for you.